I hope you all are ready for this. I had my snake eyes piercing before my accident, but when I was admitted, all metal had to go. So I wanted back my piercing. Let's see if I actually got to get it.
How are you gonna know?
I test it first. That's why I'm not tongue. I ain't not on tongue, you know.
I am! My tongue is short, it's not long.
Go look. Yeah, some more. Don't get that too stiff. Like seriously, stop thinking smart. Smart here, I'm your mind. Smart right now.
I can't stop that.
Let's try this way. Didn't get on that out.
This is how long my tongue is.
Do it again, do it well. So, I work at home. And then come and see what I want.
Wait.
See, when we touch it, yeah, pull it like it up. You know, you're not going.
You can't be doing that.
Do what?
I don't have any willpower not to
I'll
laugh.
take all that. I'm taking it better. I'm going to pick my head. I'm dancing. That's the one. That's better.
I don't know what's happening because I can't even see you. Because you're on this side and this eye. I can't see out to this side.
You can't do what?
I can't see out to this side.
Don't I?
I can only see behind my glasses or in the night. Alright, go.
I try one more time. See if you don't pierce. What time I say tomorrow?
1 o'clock.
Come back tomorrow. Because it's a clamp and hour to come. I'm going on, so keep it on steady. You know what?
You know what? I'm not feeling it moving.
Hello.
What am I doing wrong?
Your tongue force up. Also, come. No, your tongue is going together. You're moving your tongue a bit, come. So you can't see where you're doing.
Probably I close my eyes.
Someone knows support it. But I'm afraid of the sheet. Right. Self. Don't worry, so. Stop there. See your tongue, okay? And just watch it.
I felt it, you know.
Of course. You can't do this dinner.
I don't know what I'm doing though.
Stop there. This way, Anna?
Oh. But it's a reflex.
So I'm the type of person that's always playing with my hair. when I had my locks, and yes, this is all my real hair. I did play around with the colors ever so often, and even when I had to get rid of the locks and I had my natural hair, I did play around with all the colors, as you can see. I wanted to turn into a superhero, so of course I did go blonde after my accident. Tired of that, bald my head off. So now we're gonna try for this platinum blonde. So I mixed basic white and clear roll activator 40, placed it in my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair under a shower cap or steam cap, yeah, for about 40 minutes, and I'm gonna cross my fingers and hope that I get my platinum color. Let's see what actually came out on the first try. Yep, that's what I got, Mrs. Carrot Top. So my curls are still there, but listen, the edges did not take the bleach at all, so we definitely have to do this over. Really nice curls, but that's not the color that I want, so I had to go ahead and bleach my hair for the second time in the same day. Yep, you heard me right, second time. So I went ahead and I bleached my hair for a second time, but before I bleached my hair, I actually placed coconut oil in my hair just to give it some protection. And guys, in the next video, you're actually gonna see the outcome of my hair. So remember, if you have any suggestions, go ahead and put them in my comments. Thank you so much for being here with me on another video. I will see you in the next video. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comment, and thank you so much for always being here with me. This is your British Bionic Babe. Yes, road to platinum blonde.